Welcome to another video. Today we're going to review this Porta Blaster. It's a coil cleaning made easy, used to clean air conditioned coil. Yeah, looks simple. See at the front it has two separate pressure. It has a high and a low of two LED light, and it has a gauge. So we're going to get into it. We're going to test it out right now. As you can see, we have a bucket with water. We have another bucket to catch the water, the screwdriver, and we have the plug it in. All right, good thing about this pressure washer, it carries all its accessories inside at the back. So let's take out the, so this is the hose. This is the inlet hose. We're going to put this in the bucket. All right. And then this one is the trigger. Okay. All right. So let's close about this. All right. So let's connect it. There are snap-on connections. Okay, so like I said, you just drop this hose in the bucket of water right there, and let's give it a test. Plug it in. All right, and let's test it on low. All right, so here we go. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so it works. All right, let's go take down the air conditioner. We're gonna just give this air conditioner a quick clean. Air conditioner dirty. All right. What's that? Let's get these out the way. Okay, so this is the, like I said, the pressure washer. We're gonna place this is called it's a bag to catch the excess spillage going all over the place. This one was designed for a slightly larger unit, so I have to get it up. All right, so let's get the drain hose in. Right back into the bucket. Okay. Place the hose in the bucket. All right. So this is where we start. You basically see that. So once you keep washing, see all the water falls through the drain hose and goes down into the bucket. So this is a quick review on this pressure washer. It also cleans the outside unit, the condenser. Yeah, and as you can see, the water drains right down into the bucket. All right, so thanks for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. Okay.